Okay, French trim. I must warn you first, I'm no butcher, but this is how you French trim. As you can see, this pork, look at the quality of that. That piggy went to market feeling very happy that someone's gonna enjoy that. Right, let's get on with it. Right, what I want to do is, I just want to follow this line down where the fat is. I'm just gonna cut this down. Showing. You don't have to be pretty. Let's get rid of that. Okay, there's a sinew line here, so I just wanna go straight down there. And just come right across. Like that. So we're just left with the eye of the meat, really. Nice. And then you're thinking, oh God, he's cutting off, chop away. I'm not. I'm going to be eating this. Just makes it look pretty on the plate, actually. Right, I'm going to get this bone. I'm just going to scrape it down. Right, there we go. On French trimmed pork chop. Right, so put that there. Right, fat. We're not wasting anything. What I want to do is just want to cut down right to the rind, not going right through. Nice. Bit of rapeseed oil and go heavily in seasoning. Give it a good. What I did forgot to mention was I'm going to put a cocktail stick through here just to hopefully keep that shape. That's it. Nice. Right, I've got our French trimmed pork chop. I'm just going to put a tiniest amount of rapeseed oil on there. Not much. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it a quarter of a turn, like this. Gives you a nice crisscross, nice for presentation. A good tip when you're cooking pork is when you start seeing moisture that piercing the surface, that's getting onto medium, and that's how we want it. I'm just going to allow that to rest for 5 minutes. Okay, let's play it. Finish off with the pork jus.